Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are at a new preserve, for me anyway, the Tibet-Butler Preserve near downtown Orlando. We're just between Disney and Universal Studios. So let's walk inside the environmental center here and take a look around. Some baby alligators. I'll let you guys read all this information if you want. Just pause it. Gator skull. Look at this thing. This would have been a alligator snapping turtle. There's interactive things inside this place. Okay, so here's a skull of a gar that you commonly see down here in Florida. Gopher tortoise shell. Just, all kinds of information you would want. This looks like it would have been a bobcat kitten. Kind of creepy. An eastern tiger swallowtail butterfly. Some pine cones.
Like to cool them off, or yeah, since they can't reach their back, so it's a good way to keep them clean. Yeah. They do sense, so their shell is connected to their spine.
Okay, let's start our hiking adventure for the day. So, we are right there where the little arrow is. We're gonna go clear out there by the lake. And you guys want to see the hours. 8 to 6. And of course, as usual, per any place we go to, alligators and snakes in the area. And if you guys saw that, the tortoise back there, his name is Darwin. And he's estimated to be about 25 years old and will live 80 to 100 years old. And it was actually somebody's pet, he said, and it can't be released back into the wild, so he is a permanent resident at this place. We haven't did a good trail hike for a while, so this should be good. And so we're going to do the fallen log crossing here, and we'll see where this ends up. I'm not entirely sure. I do want to get to the lake though as quick as we can and get ahead of the heat. I mean, the proximity to where this is to Disney, we're only a couple miles from Disney Springs, where we are right here. And Universal Studios isn't very far away either. So it's close to everything, just off I-4 and what is it? Vineland Road. But I'll make sure you guys have all the information for this place down in the description below. All right, I haven't checked in with you guys for a little while. We're going to try to go do the Osprey overlook first. We're going to try to reach, see if we can get up high. And we'll give you guys a better view of this place from there, and I think we should be able to see the lake, hopefully. This one's not in great shape, actually. A lot of the boards are starting to rot. And they're actually flexing as I'm walking. Okay, it looks like we're coming out actually over the water here now. So hopefully we'll see something. Not sure which way that goes. Maybe we'll check on that later. Right now, we're just trying to get to the furthest most points. Then we'll check on everything else that's inward. Now we are on the Tar Flower Loop Trail. This looks like it's gonna maybe bring us out into a scrub. Kind of breaking out in the open a little bit. See what kind of critters it tells us about. Talks about the Florida mouse, some flowers, the great crested flycatcher, and the actual tar flower itself. Hopefully we'll see some of those. I just wanted to point something out to you guys too. What we're walking on right here, I believe is called deer moss. If I read the sign right back there. It's pretty thick. It's kind of spongy. So the one trail I was going to do today was the Palmetto Passage. But unfortunately, at least at the timing of filming this, it is closed. This is the Screech Owl Trail. Actually, it has a little picture of one. So we're going to cut across this real quick. This one's really short. All the little gnolls running. A little batch of them there actually kind of scared me. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a mouse. Lots of them on this little stretch. Ooh, that looks like a critter hole. Fortunately, I don't think I have a flashlight with me to look down in there. Huh. Could be anything. We've made it to the other end of the Screech Owl Trail. You go right, it takes you back to the visitor center. Going left takes us towards that Palmetto Passage, where we saw the other end was closed. So let's take a little gander down here to see if this end is closed, because I'd really like to do that trail today. As I predicted, this end of the Palmetto Passage is also closed. Oh, it says difficult and wet terrain. Now we're going to try the Pine Tree Loop, I believe, which will take us back towards the main parking lot. It's called Pine Circle. I knew it was Pine something. I brought you guys back for just a minute because you actually have to cross the road in and out of the park for this trail. Nobody coming. All right, let's continue on. We're just gonna follow this around back to the office again. I did see a pen on the way in that had chickens in it, so we're gonna make our way over that way in a few minutes as well and take a look at that. Alright guys, so we've made it back to the environmental center here. We're just going to take a look at the gardens and the gopher tortoise areas. They've got a gopher tortoise hut here. Let's see. There's a couple more here. So then there's another entrance right there. There's a big one. This whole big mound right here is all one big gopher tortoise den. And I'm going to take you guys over and let you guys see the little one that they have. The little turtle. I'll at least try to see it. And see that little dot right there. It's just a little baby one. Just a tiny little guy. Let's see. Anything else back in here? The Bee Hotel. If you guys can read that or not. But it's supposed to be a beehive. That's kind of unique. And the one last thing I wanted to look at before we left today was the chicken coop. Yeah, they actually have a chicken coop. Hi guys. All kinds of chickens in here. It's like 4 of them by the looks of it. 4 chickens. Actually 5 chickens. Hey guys. Pecking at the other one's head. It's like, they're like, human, we know you eat a lot of fried chicken. I like the colors on that one. That one's really pretty. I like that one. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It was really fun to come out here and check out this Tibet-Butler preserve here near downtown Orlando. This was a blast. We'll definitely be coming back here in the near future. So I hope you guys come out and check this place out as well. Like I said, it is free. So definitely highly recommend it if you're in this area. Okay guys, hope you all enjoyed this and I'll see y'all next week.